Hello there, welcome to our channel Tutorial Guru again. Hope you are doing fine. I'm back with another tutorial video, and today I'll be showing you how to add your location to an existing post on Facebook. And now without further ado, let's dive right into the video. But before that, don't forget to like, subscribe and hit that bell icon for more videos. On your phone first, let's open up our Facebook app. And now to add a location to your existing post, let's go to our profile. You can see the profile picture icon on the top left corner of your screen, just below the home icon. Tap over there, and after that you will need to go to the post which you want to add the location of. When you scroll down, you will see all your posts, and you can see where I have not added the location on my Facebook post. There is a tag saying tap to tag a location. Tap on the location icon over there. It's tap to tag a location over here, and you can see when you click the airplane icon on the top right corner of your screen, it will refresh your locations and provide you with the fresh suggestions. Tap over here, the nearest one to you, and you can see when it upgrades or refreshes, the location will be added to the post. And you can see the location is over here when we refresh it. And there guys, this is how you add a location to your Facebook post. And if you have any confusions or questions regarding the topic, don't hesitate to comment in the comment section below, and don't forget to like, subscribe and hit the bell icon for more videos. Thank you for watching guys. Peace.